Very bad week. Again, the pre-expiry. It's looking terrible now.
Which is why I'm laughing. I mean, yeah, it was especially for being in the Nifty or if you're on the wrong side of Nifty, it was a terrible week.
But this week, has it forced you to look from a longer term angle, Rohit, now? Because looking at US markets,
at the end of the week, I'm more scared than I was at the beginning. Because when the week and all the selling has happened in this 1 week only. Monday we were making a high, right? Monday we were at 18,300.
Yeah.
So in that sense, on Monday I just thought you'll get a correction for 2 days, 3 days, and then it goes up again, because this is typically what you get in what we've been calling as pre-expiry week. I think it will become a used term now going forward.
Yeah.
And important because options expiration, which means stock options going into delivery settlement, means stock selling that comes in this week itself. Everybody has to square up their option trades. And a lot of those option trades are usually financed by arbitrageurs on the other side who are doing delta and gamma and all hedging, where there is somewhere a stock underlying, so that when that winds down, I guess it causes that selling. The hard part is knowing the size and scale of it, because there are times when it has just been a 2-day small correction, and then this time, as we saw, it became deeper. So usually I have not been able to anticipate the size, and so the only thing we can say is there's always a risk in pre-expiry. And I thought it'll be a 2-day kind of routine correction. It stretched for the rest of the week into 4 days. And today still at 18,000, now we are at 17,500. So we are 500 points off more. What we didn't get is a confirmation, which we would typically get, say, with a positive closing, if you wait for a final confirmation that the fall is over, and then you can count the internal hourly structure. We are still closed down on Friday. So the only hope you have is of a couple of things, couple of oversold readings or momentum reversals on the hourly chart. And I think that hope only gives me hope for a bounce. The volatility in the short term might still remain, because US markets, as I've published yesterday after the Thursday's moves, are probably extending in wave C down, which means that wave C might not be complete if it is not yet 5 waves down. So any bounce in the US also, if it comes on Monday, might be a 4th wave, is what I'm fearing. And so by the time the 5th completes, there'll still be some volatility. I just wonder at what point we will start playing into our own domestic events, for example, not just the budget, but also results. For example, if you just looked at Reliance's results yesterday, stunning to say the least.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning results.
You would think that 45 PE is very, very high. For an elephant to grow at 40% earnings Y on Y, I don't know if it's only base effect, but it's still massive.